coast to coast, manufacturing in America is changing.
We're going to bring back our jobs, and yes, we're going to bring back the American dream.
A top priority for President Trump and for millions of unemployed Americans looking for work.
I'm in East Williamsburg, Brooklyn, checking out the Factory of the Future. Let's go inside. Gentlemen.
Welcome to our factory.
Wow. What is this joint? Take me through it.
Yeah, we have 160 3D printers in here. And so this is the Voodoo factory. It's all in this room. And all these printers are connected with the software that we've written. And we make plastic parts all day long.
Voodoo manufacturing in New York is changing the face of the traditional factory assembly line. Co-founders Max Freifeld and Jonathan Schwartz are the brains behind this operation. They rely on 3D printers to manufacture nearly 50 different projects, from keychains to T-Rex shower heads, all at once.
We're focused on doing this at high volume, cost effectively. 3D printing used to be about like 10 units, 20 units, prototypes. We do thousands for every order.
Our factory is going to open up in East Lansing, Michigan again, or is this a factory of the future? This isn't a lot of space.
We believe that manufacturing is becoming digital. Manufacturing is going to look more like software and to have machines that are running off of digital files.
In the past 20 years, U.S. industry has shed 4.9 million manufacturing jobs, in part because of increased automation. By 2025, operational industrial robots are expected to perform 25% of day-to-day manufacturing tasks. That's compared to a 10% global average in 2015.
This is our lab.
Jim Allen is the director of manufacturing at Voodoo. With more than 2 decades of traditional factory experience under his belt, he says today's manufacturing is about collaboration with innovation.
Doing what you're doing, what's going to happen to the Rust Belt of America?
I think they're going to adapt. There's examples of companies that have been tool and die, automotive, and other industries where they're using robotics. This is what they call a collaborative robot. That, unlike the robotics of maybe 10, 15 years ago, where you had to have a cage around it, we can stand right here next to it, and it can actually hand us parts if we wanted it to.
Allen says learning how to work hand-in-hand with robots is part of Voodoo's mission. That's why the company offers on-the-job training in its factory. But it's not the only company taking the leap into 3D printing. Big brands like GE, Adidas, Boeing, Ford, Nike, Hasbro, and Hershey's are also integrating the technology into their products.
So there's this idea, almost like a video killed the radio star, that innovation is killing manufacturing.
I would say the opposite. I would say that for a number of reasons. One, because of automation, we're increasing our productivity. We're able to get more products out there at a lower cost at higher quality. Being able to do that increases demand. Increased demand creates more jobs.